How can you live Proverbs? Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your paths. This is one of the most commonly referenced and spoken verses in the Bible. However, this verse is rarely lived out in the lives of believers. I remember receiving this verse in a card a friend gave me to congratulate me on my salvation decision. It was the first verse I grabbed onto when I was saved, but I had no idea how to live out this verse. To trust in the Lord, not on your own understanding, and to acknowledge him in all your ways are actually commands in the Bible. And the Lord never commands anything that he cannot and will not equip you to obey should you seek him to do so. All is an absolute word, and it implies everything, not just the things you think you need him for. And the word ways in the Bible is direct, and it means a manner, a journey, a course of life, a mode of action. It speaks to the way you approach your life's journey. Notice he's asking for all of your ways. The word acknowledge in the Bible is yada, and it means to know and be known, to understand. This implies an intimacy with God is required to live out this verse. The promise in this verse that God will make your path straight is conditional on you behaving in agreement with the other commands. This is a promise of clear direction, and you really do want to make God's choices and not your own. He knows the best roads and the shortcuts, and he knows how things will turn out. Do you want to know how to live out this verse? Find out how at the Holy Spirit 101 free online workshop. In just 2 hours, we will help you see how to easily connect with God, personally begin to align with his ways, and if you want to go deeper, plan to join us October 23rd to 25th, 2025 in Richmond, Virginia for the Spirit-Led Leadership Workshop. There, you'll learn how to abide with God for transformation, align with God for clear direction, and advance the kingdom. Check out both of these opportunities by clicking on the QR code or clicking on spiritlifeworkshops.com/upcoming-workshop. I wonder what God has for you there. I hope to see you there.